Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to record videos on iPhone with high efficiency. So to record videos on iPhone with high efficiency, it's very basic, and I'm going to be showing you that in less than 60 seconds. The first thing you want to do, you want to go to the settings on your iPhone. Get to the settings on your iPhone. I want you to scroll down and tap on camera. So let's tap on camera here. So once you tap on camera, it is going to take you to the camera settings on your device. What I want you to focus on here is the formats. I want you to tap on formats here. Format is going to load up another page for you. On this page, you are going to have two things. You're going to have the high efficiency and the most compatible. For some phones, it's going to come with this most compatible, but you want to shoot your videos in a very high efficiency format. So you just want to select this high efficiency. Make sure the mark icon is at the front of the high efficiency. Once you do that, you can actually take videos now with high efficiency on your iPhone. So guys, this is how you can actually record any videos on your iPhone with a very good efficiency, with high efficiency rather. So I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.